to add a new language with Lalilala. So I was thinking I would like to add Spanish for this website. Also, it lets my customer to arrive to that Spanish community. So we are going to add Spanish as a language. In the right corner, we see the different icons. We are going to see the one with some letters in Chinese and in Latin words. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to receive this pop-up that it says the multi-language website. I'm going to click in language manager, and after it I'm going to select the Spanish that I would like to add. We click Spanish, and then we're going to click on save changes. That's how you add a new language with Lalilala to your website.